Striking Viking beard oil, specifically in the vanilla scent for me, is one of the most purchased and highly rated beard oils on all of Amazon. It is also one of the worst beard oils I have ever put in my beard, and I'm going to explain my experience and give you guys all the details I think you should know about this product. If you're excited about that, hit a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you like learning about beards. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Shout out to my returning subscribers. All right, I'll put a graphic up over here to show you guys some details, but right now this is going for just under $10, and it's a 2-ounce bottle, meaning you are getting for about $5 an ounce this beard oil that is highly rated. Now let's take a look at the ingredient list. This is normally where we see things go south. They do claim very openly that this is made in China, so especially when we see that on there, oftentimes it leans a little bit towards a not great ingredient list, but let's take a look. Let's be fair here. Ingredients: tea tree oil. Right away, interesting. Not bad, not terrible, but interesting. We don't normally see tea tree oil as the most potent carrier in a beard oil blend, but I'll let you decide if that's a good or bad thing. Grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, aloe leaf juice, argan oil, and vanilla bean extract. Okay, nothing that is like super alarming. There's no silicones. There's no mineral oil. There's not even vitamin E, which is not a bad thing. It just surprises me that we don't see it on here. And we see things in there what's like, huh? Vanilla bean extract. Not a fragrance oil, but vanilla bean extract. Vanilla bean is very expensive. A lot of you know that. If you do anything with baking, or anyone you know does stuff with baking, real vanilla bean extract is coveted and is expensive. It's not easy to get, especially in America. So that's kind of perplexing that we can have one of the most inexpensive beard oils on the internet or in person with vanilla bean extract and all of those natural ingredients. I'm a little suspicious, but I'll go by their word. Like, okay, gotcha. Now, when I use this in my beard, it does not feel good. I get an immediate reaction that is not, I don't want to say burning, I'm not going to be dramatic, but there is like a off-putting feeling to it. And then my beard very quickly becomes dry and brittle. It is not helping. It's not nourishing, at least for my beard. I'm excited to hear from you guys. I have a feeling that some of you have used this. I have a feeling that some of you searched for this video specifically. Maybe you got it, you had an experience, and you wanted to see where others lie with this product. If you have experienced this, drop a comment down below. For me, when you see that price tag, let me say this very clearly. An inexpensive price does not mean it's a good deal. If it's inexpensive garbage, it's still garbage and a waste of money. Whether you wasted $10 or $100, it's still not a good deal if it's a bad product. Now, I can only speak about my opinion and my experience. There's nothing factual here. I cannot say that this is a bad bottle of beard oil. I can just say that it was not good for me. It was actually one of the worst. And there's all ranges of bad beard oils out there. There's some that are just cheap and don't absorb in and make your beard feel greasy and heavy. This was not that. This was very light. It actually smells good. I will give them that 100%. It smells like vanilla. It smells like some baked goods. Maybe some vanilla cupcakes would be a good set name for this one. But it just gave my beard this weird, itchy, I don't want to say tingling, I don't want to say burning, but this weird, uncomfortable, off-putting feeling. And then very quickly, my beard dried out and felt horrible. It felt stringy. If you've ever like overstripped your beard, you've washed it too much or at the wrong time, or you were dehydrated, you probably know that feeling. That's what this gave me. So it's a bummer that this is one of the first things that shows up on Amazon when you search beard oil. It's even more of a bummer that the ingredients look decent on paper and that the price is fantastic. I have a feeling there's a lot of people that believe this is the experience of beard oil. And I'm here to tell you that there are much better options. There are much better options in the same price range. There are much better options on the same avenue of Amazon. There's better options in stores like Walmart. If you are looking for recommendations, reach out to me. I would be happy to give you some of those. A good one that falls within this price range, that is within a 2-ounce bottle, that is on Amazon, that has free shipping, would be Honest Amish. Give them a shot. No, I've never been paid by them. I don't make money off them. It's just a really good product, especially if you're trying to learn what beard oil is. They're not going to have crazy scents. It's not going to smell like vanilla cupcakes, but it's going to get the job done. And no, this is not product placement. This is not sponsored in any way. Honest Amish has no idea I'm giving this recommendation. I have another video that I'll link in the description if I can remember, and it gives the 4 top budget-friendly beard oils. Those would all, in my opinion, be better options than this one. So leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Maybe I've even piqued your interest and you're like, $10, Amazon free returns, I'll give it a shot. Please do. Leave your unfiltered, your honest opinions down below and your experience. Maybe it was the best thing you've ever had and you don't plan on using any other ones for the rest of your life. Hey, that's okay. Let us know. I want to hear it. I want to read it. Thank you guys for watching. Cannot wait to get down to those comments. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.